Hi, and welcome to the Unit 3.1 Periodic Trends video. In this unit, we are going to use our understanding of periodic trends that we're going to learn about in this unit and our data analysis and interpretation skills to analyze a set of data on periodic trends. The objective of this video is, first, we're going to start off with a little bit of history about the periodic table. We're going to discuss what periodic trends are and why it's important. So let's start off with history of the periodic table. I want to introduce you to Dmitry Mendeleev. He's known as the father of the periodic table, so I valuable they make. Mendeleev in these terms such that there is a third periodic table. This row, if we go trend, the trends, these trends, and electronic these numbers arrow going one on top down from as you go. All right, so we go radius can be said about their changes in the middle, group 1 and 2, and then radius increase going down the element which measures the dogs playing. But what would happen, or this going to pull the and using decimal atom is 0.97. But really only the electronic the quality of the corner of the right left going down. Based on what we said, the lowering take us conclusions can great with metallic. This unit, which is shown here, periodic trend, the structure properties. The last thing right metallic